Yours truly, Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin, as I continue with our alphabet chemistry. Alphabet chemistry. And so we continue now with the letter U. The letter U, and the first letter U here is U for uranium. U-R-A-N-I-U-M. U, uranium. And uranium have an atomic number of 92. That we know. 92. U-A, U-B, U-C, U-D, U-E, U-F, U-G, U-H. And for U, I also have all the future elements on the U. So that means we have 100 atomic number, which is equal to U N N. Unnilnilium, 100. So we have uranium for 92, then we skip and then we come out to 100 for unnilnilium. We have 101 as U N U. Unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. 100. And that also has another name, the traditional name, what we're just going by for the letter U. We are in our alphabet chemistry, and the U has taken us into the future chemistry for all the elements over 100 and above, plus uranium. We'll later look up for the atomic weight of uranium. We know that the atomic number is 92, and we can't apply the doubling method for uranium, which will just put us at 184, 1990, 184, as we did for the first 20 elements, because I think uranium would be way over 200, near to 300 there. Anyhow, so all the elements going up to 118 would have U. So we have 102 as on U N B. Unnilnilium. My pen is running out of thing here, and let's see if we have our thing here, well gauge. Unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. 102. For 103, over here would have unnilnilium tritium or trinium. So that will be U, nil T. So we have alphabet chemistry here, but U is very complex. It takes us with uranium as that the very radioactive element, very famous radioactive element, using nuclear reactions and all of that. And it also has all the U's in the modern nomenclature of the elements over 100 and to 118. Unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. Move on to 104, still on the letter U. 104. All my ink have run out here. (104), and we have unnilnilium, UNQ. Alphabet chemistry. But U has taken us into all the elements over 100 and plus uranium. Unnilnilium. 105. Unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. UNP. Unnilnilium. My ink is gone. All right, we're gonna have to use some black ink for the moment here. This is the only available ink that we have here. I have only tangible black ink here, so we'll use what we have. So we have 105 unnilnilium. On the letter U, 106 would put us as unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. 107 would put us at unnilnilium. Something is not right here, as 106 and 107 would have the same. One is septium. Which one is the septium? Unnilnilium, unnilnilium. I think the 6 is the septium. Ununoctium, maybe the 7. We'll see which one is it. Septium. Unnilnilium. So one is axiom and one is septium. So that we wouldn't have a redundancy in the symbol for these elements. U, nil, UNS, and one is UNH. Okay, 108 would put us as Ununoctium. And 109 as unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. And 110 as now unnilnilium. Unnilnilium. 111 as Ununium. And 112 as binium. And 113 T, UUT. And 114 as quadrium. And 115 as pentium. And 116 as axiom. And 117 as septium. And the last one for organism, 118 as Ununoctium. Of course, this will be organism. Extremely radioactive noble gas, organism. Let's put U up here as uranium. (92), and let's look for the atomic number of uranium. Element with symbol U. Element with symbol U. Uranium 92, 238.028. Oh, could I forget that? 238 is a significant number to me. .02. 238.02 for the atomic weight, and 92 for the atomic number, uranium. And also, all the U's put us into this modern nomenclature of all the elements over 100 to 118. So there we have our alphabet chemistry, and we'll continue. We have V, double, X, Y, and Z to continue with our alphabet chemistry. We'll do that on another occasion. So let's come up here now, and here we have it. U, uranium, 92, 238, and then we have unnilnilium for 100. Which one is that? I think that is fermium. All right. 101, 104, 103, 104, 105, comes straight down to 118. This is in the modern nomenclature. And all of these from 100 still have their traditional name to go by. with the traditional symbols. But we end up with U, and all the U's go for this uranium and all the modern elements.